another question that I have, or that the audience has, is how is it that an African American woman without the gene for cancer winds up with breast cancer? I had a left breast mastectomy in March. It was ductal carcinoma in situ.
Well, like I said before, it's the genes are one thing, but only about 5 to 10% of all cancers are due to your genes. A majority of it is due to your lifestyle and your environment. So those are the factors, and you may not even be aware of these things. I mean, I think about other cancers. I think about some of the healthiest, quote unquote, the supposedly healthiest people I know about, who took very good care of their bodies. They exercised. They tried to even stop, didn't eat much meat at all, or didn't eat meat at all. And they still, I know someone who had prostate cancer, Ben Carson, for instance, the former neurosurgeon. He had a very aggressive prostate cancer before his 40th birthday. And there, again, with breast cancer, there are several who have had that. So and that's why I keep on emphasizing this thing. You may be doing all you know to do, but if you're not doing some of the key things, I mentioned vitamin D now. Most people are simply not taking enough vitamin D as a supplement. Forget about taking it as food. It's getting to be the winter time, so you're not going to get much of it from the sunlight. Even if there was sun throughout the year, most people don't go out in the sun and they don't expose their skin to the sun. So most Black people are deficient in vitamin D. If you're deficient in vitamin D, I cannot overstate this, but if you are deficient in vitamin D, your immune system is at risk. If your immune system is compromised, then it will not be able to detect cancer cells when they're beginning to grow. And cancer cells can grow under several different conditions. What we need to be able to do is strengthen, ensure that our immune system is in tip-top shape. There are also other things that you want to do too. Like I said, you want to improve, bring down your inflammatory levels, but also you want to be able to, if there's damage to the genes or to the DNA or in your cells, and I know I'm going a little deep now. If there's damage, we're all our cells are being damaged by all kinds of things. What we also need to be able to do is increase our body's ability to repair this damage, because the body's already repairing the damage. But if we provide the nutrients and the building blocks for it to repair the damage, then you have a better chance of not having cancer. But even if you do get cancer, you have a better chance of surviving it if you're doing the things I'm talking about.